So I've got some fish here. I'm using cod. You could use a different fish if you want, like a salmon or something, but the cod works really nicely in this one. We're cooking this with onions, garlic, tomatoes, red wine, tarragon, and some oregano. It is so delicious and so easy. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got some cod there. Absolutely lovely chunks there, big fat chunks of cod. You can use a different fish if you want. Here I've got 1 can of tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of garlic, some black olives, teaspoon or so of tarragon and oregano, onion using red, 1 fresh chili, and some red wine. Very simple and super delicious. So here we go then. So I've got a pan here with some olive oil in, heating that up. We're going to drop in that chopped onion. This is painfully easy, this one, really. It's really simple and wonderful. Salt. Let me get some black pepper in there. We're on a medium heat, or just above medium actually. Then going to drop in that chopped garlic, like a tablespoon. And I'll be back in about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Beautiful. Let's drop in those olives. Now, I've kept the stone in mind. You can take the stone out if you want. We're going to drop in the oregano and tarragon, and then that 1 chili. I'll just give it a little slice down the middle, just so it can let its flavours out. Next up, we're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. Now these were a whole tomato. I've just roughly crushed them with my hand. Just going to grab that red wine. Maybe a glass there. Don't use anything too expensive. Let's stay on this medium heat. And we're going to go just for another 4 minutes. Then we're going to drop in our fish. And that really is looking beautiful. Next up, let's get our fish. And like I said, these are nice big, chunky pieces of a cod or a white fish that you can choose. Very simply, let's lower the heat now just to above a simmer. Pop that lid on. I'll be back in about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Let some steam out of there. That really is looking beautiful. Let's just flip these over. I'm going to let this go just for about another 4 minutes or so. And then that is ready to serve. So easy. And there you go. That is so simple to make. It really is delicious. Now that would be nice with some pasta, with some spaghetti maybe. I'm just going to serve mine with some nice bread. I like to dip that in there and get straight in. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, all that doo-dah stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.